Hello and welcome to our informative channel. In this video, we will be discussing black holes. Black holes are one of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. They are regions in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Black holes are formed when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses in on itself, creating a singularity. The size and mass of a black hole depend on the mass of the star that formed it. There are two main types of black holes, stellar and supermassive. Stellar black holes are formed from the collapse of individual stars, while supermassive black holes are found at the centers of galaxies and are thought to be formed from the merging of smaller black holes. Black holes have many strange and fascinating properties. For example, time behaves differently around a black hole, with time dilation causing time to slow down the closer one gets to the event horizon. The event horizon is the point of no return around a black hole, beyond which nothing can escape. Black holes also emit a type of radiation called Hawking radiation, which causes them to slowly evaporate over time. This process is incredibly slow, and it would take billions of years for a black hole to completely evaporate. In conclusion, black holes are fascinating and mysterious objects that continue to captivate astronomers and scientists alike. Their unique properties and behaviors offer insight into the nature of space and time, and further study of black holes may help us better understand the universe as a whole. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information about black holes. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information.